Okay, since you mentioned the players number 1 to 20, para sa'yo, who was like an X factor, like a player that really made a difference na unexpected tapos ang laki ng impact niya?
I think it would always be Kyle. The pressure on her is something I wouldn't want on myself because technically wala siyang kapalit with the same experience and with the same amount of skill set and the same amount of um siguro championship mentality lang din talaga coming into the game. Our second setter, Mafe, she really has struggles when it comes to blocking.
Yeah.
So she rarely plays in the front row. And I think with Kyle, she has the challenge that no other setter would want na wala kang kapalit when
Yeah.
it comes to very crucial times. Whenever Mafe comes in the court, she's able to deliver, but because siguro lacking talaga in playing time and coming from college, this is also one of her first few times to be able to play in the pros. So yung experience kulang pa talaga. The skill is there, but the experience, you really need that when it comes to important games that you're down 2 sets and that you're coming in for the finals. So Kyle really had all the pressure. And coming from the team, coming from Coach Sherwin, coming from outside also, all eyes were on her. And to be able to distribute the ball well, to be able to um, give the ball well also to your spikers. Syempre, lahat naman kami kayang pumalo. So, nasa sa kanya na yon how she will make wise decisions. So, I'm really happy for her on how she's really grown in the past 2 years and kung paano talaga, how she embraced the role of being a leader also for Creamline.